They die before I can even shoot them.
Welcome to the end game, son. You do have my balls. What? What's up, dog? What does everybody use that word? Yo, what's that? If it is restriction. You want that? I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Oh, I died.
Okay, that's not good news.
I was foolish. Sorry.
I just realized when you take this soldier syringe, you just have the syringe in your leg. You have 4 syringes in your leg.
Man, who's on that screen?
Just look at the area, son. It is all overhead.
Stay up here. Activate it quickly before I die.
Can't die, son. You actually can't die. You heal 100% HP. You can stand on that. Can I?
Don't push me up, boy.
That's not.
It's my fault.
Yeah, dog. Yeah.
Flying,
He's
man.
been flying.
Is he gonna stand there?
Yeah. It heals.
Nice.
It's even shooting. It's unreachable by melee units.
And you have the items to reduce the cooldown.
The boss be calling. What's up,
Yeah.
boss? Hey, dog, I'm ready.
Misama! Rapuski-san! Ah! Rapuski-san!
The fuck did I come back to?
Rapuski-sama!
You gonna drink some cocaine? Man, that's not good. You're losing all the effect, bro.
That's not fair. I also want gold.
I'm stuck.
Just run. Just run before it gets even. No! Put your stuff down! Put your stuff down!
No.
This guy, what's his called? The guy I'm playing, what's he called? What's he called?
Sniper dude.
Yeah, the sniper dude.
Alright, those balls are dangerous.
Nah, let them be. Let me hit them.
Let's mention.
Oh, what truck? What happened? I died.
Told ya. Dangerous.
The kill us there. We can just stand still, so.
Yeah.
Geronimo! The elixir bottle is actually pretty good.
Elixir bottle. Oh yeah.
Yeah. You get a when your health goes low, you get a like a heal.